Hello everyone and welcome back to Grow Wise Life Wise. So today I shall be talking about changing thinking patterns or positive thinking or rewiring your brain. So without wasting further time, let's begin. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. We often have negative thoughts, beliefs and attitudes that have a huge impact on our life. And we all are very much aware that constantly keeping up those attitudes, so constantly keeping our belief systems negative and persistently thinking in such a manner often leads to a negative attitude which has a very detrimental effect on our life. It not only leads us to failure but also affects our relations with our friends, family and people around us. Negative self-talk leads to a negative attitude which is a very suffocating in itself. It does not allow you to see the actual picture. Learning to control negative thinking is all about changing your inner dialogue and you're changing the thought processes that you have been developing and learning your entire life till now. Before doing that, let us quickly look through some of the disadvantages of negative thinking. Negative thinking makes it harder for you to think logically, to think rationally and to come up to proper conclusions in your day-to-day life. Also, it increases fear of failure and slows down the brain function. And constantly doing so not only damages your brain cells but it also has an effect on your physical body and health too. When you make negative thinking a habit, it essentially rewires your brains and it becomes very difficult to actually get out of a negative attitude. So today, let's learn to do unwiring of this rewiring that might have happened till now. So today, let's learn to rewiring your brain to positive thinking towards affirmations and making our lives more easier for our own selves. The changes that are made to our brain by our thought processes are reversible. So we definitely have a chance, we have an opportunity to change the way we think. So before I talk about this rewiring towards the positive thinking, let me make you understand this with a simple analogy. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house which is some few kilometers away from your home and there is a small pathway towards that. Now you usually go through this pathway but since long there have been some hurdles or obstacles being kept on the path by others or maybe by your own self or maybe by ignorance. Like some of the weeds have come up on that way and leaves and dust and rocks and all the debris are put all over the way and it is totally blocked. Now you can't find a space to keep your one foot on that way. It is blocked to that much extent. The same thing happens with our mind too. When it is filled up with all those negative thoughts, all the negative thinking processes comes up, then it is really difficult for you to find out the good things that you might have kept there, to find out your way to success, to find out your way to make up your goals, to set up your goals and then find out your way to accomplish those goals. Now, what can you do about this? So, there are two ways. First, either you can remove all those debris and then make a path for yourself or you So what do you think is the easier one? To remove the debris and clear your path, or to altogether make a new path? Well, the answer depends on what all things are there on the path or what you find easier, because again, if there are too much debris and too much clearing is required, then it is easier to go and create a new path. But if you don't know how to create that new path, then the only option that you are left with is clearing the existing one. So, depending on your individual situations and circumstances, you can choose from either of the two options, that is clearing your existing path or creating a new path. Today, I shall be talking about creating the new path. So, for that, let us first understand the effects that positive thinking will have on your mind. When you think of a positive thought, it is like an exercise to your brain, and you know that some exercise is required to keep the brain healthy too. So, by developing more and more positive thoughts, you are making your brain exercise and develop itself to give it the required good health. By daily utilizing positive thoughts and positive affirmations, you are creating a pathway for new neurons and synapses that are not in use. By doing so, the newer areas of your brains will get highlighted and will develop a new neuron pathway which will help you to be more clear in your own thoughts. Now here, the obvious question would be, what are affirmations? Affirmations are short positive statements that we speak to our own selves, that we tell our own selves, which helps our brain to build newer neurological pathways. As you repeat affirmations, your subconscious mind will take hold of these new positive thoughts, and slowly and gradually, with a regular practice of doing these affirmations for your own self, your mind will slowly develop all the positive thinking. And another thing that would happen with this is that all your negative thoughts will slowly and gradually be disappeared. Not only this, affirmations also helps you to develop a positive thinking pattern, which in turn helps to improvise your immune system. And with your immune system getting better and better, you will have a sound health too. Needless to say, this will lead to a longer, healthier and a happier life. It will also help you to be more energetic, more happier and more healthier in life. This will also improve your self-confidence. Now, here I would like to tell you to go and watch my video on tips to improve self-confidence. I have given the link in the description box below. Clarity of thoughts and focus also comes easily with a positive thinking attitude. That's all for today, and in my next video, I shall be sharing tips on staying positive. So, this is Kevnasha signing off until my next video. Till then, stay motivated, stay positive. Goodbye and have a great positive day.